Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get Gemini on your phone. To begin, ensure your device's operating system is updated to its latest version for optimal performance and compatibility. Next, open your phone's App Store, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, and search for the official Google Gemini application. Once found, proceed to download and install it directly onto your mobile device. This process usually takes just a few moments. For Android users, accessing Gemini is straightforward. After installation, you might find Gemini integrated with your Google Assistant. You can set Gemini as your default assistant within your phone's settings, typically under Digital Assistant app. Alternatively, simply tap the dedicated Gemini app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer to launch it directly. This gives you immediate access to its powerful features. If you are an iOS user, getting Gemini on your iPhone or iPad is also simple. You will typically find Gemini integrated within the main Google app, which is available for free in the Apple App Store. If you do not have it, download the Google app first. Once installed, open it and look for a Gemini toggle or icon to activate and begin using its capabilities. This provides a seamless experience. Now that Gemini is installed, you are ready to start using it. Simply tap the Gemini icon or activate it through your default assistant setting. You can then begin interacting by typing your questions or speaking your commands directly. Gemini can help you draft messages, summarize lengthy articles, brainstorm creative ideas, and much more, making your daily tasks easier and more efficient.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.